In this course, you will learn to design a gear train assembly, using Autodesk Inventor. We can find the applications of gear train design, in the gearbox of automobiles, lathe machines, differentials in automobiles etc. As part of this course, you will use Autodesk Inventor, to design gear shafts, spur gears, bearing housing, and bearings for a gear train. And finally, you will assemble the components designed, to make your own gear housing assembly. The course is based on Skyfi Lab's Learn, Do, Review methodology, which ensures your learning of technical concepts, in addition to developing the project with your own hands. A topic like CAD design, can be learned only by building projects. And Skyfi Labs makes the process, super easy for you. Get course access instantly, upon enrollment, and you can finish the project within 1 week from anywhere on Earth, and earn a certificate. With Skyfi Labs, you will not just build the project with a definite output, but also learn the concepts, so you can easily crack the interviews with confidence. Enroll today, and start learning by building projects.